Oh, God, I love it, but...
Playing a game of whack here. What?
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you? Dude!
On today's episode of Whack
Whack.
Can you pick a card? Yeah! Would you choose? Oh!
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
No! Oh, God.
Come on. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you f***ing did it. Oh, shit.
My two kitty cats, Muffin. Oh!
Solamente en Cristo.
En Cristo, solamente en Él, la salvación.
It's okay.
What's up, dude? What is?
Get out of the dishwasher!
Eso. Mira. Pero muchacho.
Good job, lady. All right. Look at you go. Oh, no.
Pippa, no. Pippa, no. Pippa. You're an idiot. No, no. Oh my gosh. Pippa, no.
I'm legit being attacked by pigeons. Yo, what is going on? What is going on? What is this?
Good girl.
No! Naked!
This right here is why we don't crawl. Stand up. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
That's not a rat. That's not a rat. That's a muskrat. Hey, little guy. Oh my God! Oh!
Hey. Can I have that back? Please. Can I have it back? Oh, thank you.
How you doing there, buddy?
I'm doing great, brother.
You are literally chilling with a seal. This seal is sleeping on you, bro.
What did you do? Well, not sure what pillow this is. You gotta be shitting me. What did you do? Was it you, Murphy? Or was it this guy?